Hey everybody, it's Brian from the Pulaski County Public Library Team Department. I'm going to be showing you a craft today making a watercolor mini backpack. We picked these up on Amazon for about $7 or $8 a piece. I think they can go up to 10 depending on when you get them. You know, it's the beginning of the school year, it might cost things like that. But this is the final result of what you're going to look for. So you're going to get some kind of marbling effect and that watercolor effect from the different colors. And what you'll need for this is some fabric markers, a roll of paper towels, and a spray bottle with some water. I guess if you don't have the spray bottle, you could dip the paper towels in a bowl of water, something like that, because it's pretty simple as well. And if you'll notice here, this black section in the middle, that's because I tried to do a very specific design, and the black ran when it got wet really, really bad. So I recommend if you'd like to put a solid design, say you want a smiley face or a peace sign, something like that, use a permanent marker, and then you can use the fabric markers on top of that, and the permanent marker will stay in place while the fabric markers will give us that watercolor effect. So I'm going to show you a quick little sample here of what we're looking to try and do. So you're just going to take your fabric markers and just fill in a little section here, and you'll notice that it does look very much just like you're drawing a marker on paper at this point. And that's what we want, because once you get it wet, those colors are going to start to bleed and move together. So let's see if I can hold that up close enough. This section right here in this middle, that's what we're looking at, orange and purple. And then you're going to take a piece of your paper towel and spray it down here. And that water is going to get into the ink that we've just laid down and cause it to bleed and run into the other colors. And you're going to end up with that watercolored marble effect that we've got up top. I did find that if you spray the water directly on the backpack, on the ink actually starts to run. So if you want maybe those running lines, maybe that's something you're looking to do, you can let that ink just kind of run, and it'll give you kind of a rainwater effect as well. But then after you're finished with that, you do need to put the backpack in a dryer just for 5 or 10 minutes or so, and the heat helps that ink set, so that if you carry this backpack out into the rain in a later time, those inks should stay permanent. They're not going to run like we're getting now with the fresh ink and the water effect. So that's what we've got this week. It's a mini watercolor backpack. Give it a try and have fun with it. Thank you.